Won't she do it? Won't she do it? Honey, I'm feeling fancy. Okay, I'm feeling fancy. Listen, won't she do it? Won't she do it? She will. She will. Listen, okay? Dollar Tree said, listen, we coming through like the crew and a place to be. Okay, all right. All right, I'm looking for other things to rhyme with it. Listen, Dollar Tree, listen, aren't they fancy? Okay, this is the Tier 1 Advanced Power Strip, Energy Saving Smart Power Bar. Hello, chill, okay? Honey, did you see those? Did you see? Listen, what we not finna do is to say we seen them and we didn't. That's what we're not finna do, okay? Dollar Tree just put these out. They okay with you and me, all right? Now, these are $1.25. Check these out, girl. When I tell you, Dollar Tree is not playing. Now, green light, okay, all right, we get it. We get it that this is an energy-saving smart power, bar. We get it, all right? Now, they got like 3 boxes. I wonder how long these gonna last, okay? Child, Dollar Tree is not playing. Listen, when I tell you Dollar Tree is slimy, they not playing and they sure not delaying. Child, this just, you know what? When I come to Dollar Tree, I could just point out the stuff that is like name brand. You ever feel that way? When you come to Dollar Tree, you like, I know that's name brand. Child, I'm walking past and I see this. What is this? Eid? Lilac, I think. Love You Like Crazy. European American Designs. Honey. And this is the only one I see that they have here. Child, this is $1.25. When I tell you Dollar Tree, and it smell okay. It's not like one of those smells like, dang, like that smell really good. It smell, it smell alright. It smell alright. Okay. Now, when it comes to this line, when I tell you that Dollar Tree is like delivering when it comes to this, now they have the Skin to Me hair towels, okay? Super soft and absorbent microfiber, helps to reduce drying time, all right? $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the pink, the green, and also the purple in between, okay? All right, and then they also have the exfoliate and bath mitt. Dual textured mitt exfoliates on one side and gently cleanses on the other. Child, these look fancy, okay? These look fancy, but my fave is the exfoliate and like this. You see, I don't even know if they still sell these. The exfoliate and like washcloths. Okay, honey, that thing could take your skin off if you wash too hard with it, all right? Like, it's like this material. Now, Dollar Tree, they've been had these for a while, coconut infused exfoliate and bath gloves. I absolutely love these, but I love the cloths better. Okay, to me, that's just a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, when you come to Dollar Tree and you buy one of these, it's one for $1.25, just FYI. Okay, so I was gonna braid my hair yesterday, okay, but I said nope, because you guys told me that Lotus shampoo was the deal like Holyfield, okay? So I said, you know what? I'm gonna try that today, the Lotus shampoo. So that's what I'm waiting for, okay? All right, so I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna try the shampoo, and you guys gonna come along with me. Okay, and I'm gonna let you know if it's a hit or if it's a go or a no. I'm gonna let you know. Okay, now let's get into this. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, phenomenal, terrific type of day today, honey. I'm trying to see my way. All right. So from the background, as you guys can see, I am at Dollar Tree. Today is like negative something degrees. I don't know because I don't watch the news. But yeah, honey, it's like 2 people in this parking lot only. All right, listen, the message today is stop focusing on your health. I mean, stop talking about your health. Okay, if your health is not where you desire your health to be, remember what you constantly talk about, my love, and I want the best for you so much, okay, that if you keep talking about how you have this, have you have that, okay, ooh, my hands, how you have all these different things, okay, you're going to continuously get it. I want you to have, let me tell you something, you was created, prosperity, abundance, okay, amazing health, that is your birthright. You have what it takes. Everything that shows up in our lives is just results, right? It's like an indicator. You know, even when you see certain things that you don't prefer, right? What do you prefer? I want you today to write a list out of the things that you desire for your life. Now, first, when you first do it, you are going to focus on what you don't. You're going to say, well, you know, I don't want my health to be this way. No. How do you prefer your health to be? How do you prefer your life to be? Not what you don't want, what you do want. And I know you're going to focus on what you don't want a little because we've been conditioned to do so. All right? So, we at Dollar Tree in a place to be. Let's see what they have in here for us. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. All right, so soon as you come in, look at Dollar Tree getting fancy with the oven mitts, okay? Chill. And you know what? This is a steal deal like nobody's business because it's a store not too far from my home. And I had purchased the mittens like these, okay? And those mittens, I think those was like $3 or $4. But at Dollar Tree, now, of course, honey, for you and me, all right? Let me just tell you, I want you to understand this, all right, boo? Is one mini mitt for $1.25, okay? But the reason why I absolutely love these is because you see how they have the rubber right here? This is going to protect those little fingers, okay? All right? So they have different colors. They have the red and the black, really, really cute. And then they also have this peachy looking color. That is nice. And then gray, turquoise, when it's stuff like this, absolutely love it. That turquoise could actually go with this mug. And then they also have the turquoise plate. Bows, Valentine's Day. Really, really cute. Those are $1.25. And then the gold trays. Honey, you feeling fancy? Get you some gold trays and some gold plates, all right? They're $1.25. And then they also have these placemats right here, which goes with the turquoise plate. Honey, fancy, pantsy, mancy, looking like Lancy. Let's go. Okay, so if you have an afro like myself, all right, normally I keep my hair braided, but if you do have an afro, okay, rock your afro. All right, now, these afro picks are $1.25. That's a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, when I tell you Dollar Tree is definitely moving their feet to the beat when it comes to the hair accessories, child, they ain't playing. All right, you get 15 economy pack, medium hair, little tie elastic bands. All right, that's a steal deal like Holyfield. And look at the claw clamps, honey, they are not playing. Okay, they definitely are not playing. They slaying, okay? And then they also have these scrunchies. These scrunchies are cool. I wish they would have had these in green. Those are $1.25 for 3. Then, of course, they have the Skintimate Spa headbands. These are $1.25. And I keep telling you guys about this foot repair, the scrub, and then the foot cream. Really, really good. These are $1.25. And the smell on them are amazing, to say the least. Really, really good. Okay, so just in case you wanted to swing my way, okay, Dollar Tree has the baby onesies. I think these are such an amazing deal for $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the blue, the white, and also the pink. Now, Dollar Tree also have these socks over here. Honey, those socks would definitely do right now, the way this weather feel right now. All right, and those socks are $1.25. Now, we had took a look at this yesterday, the grape scented body scrub, and they also had Stitch over here. But honey, Stitch ain't stand a chance. They done brought all of that up, okay? But they do have the Barbie and the villains, and I don't know what the Barbie scent is, but I definitely know the villains is grape scented. I felt like yesterday, like, dang, like all of them grape scented, okay? All right, and these are $1.25 body scrub. All right, family, we talked about these, okay? When I tell you this is a steal deal like Holyfield, the Flexi Grip, and this is the unicorn one. I had purchased the dog one, and I was like, oh my goodness, they will put this out after I purchased the dog one. This is to hold your phone. All right, so if you're a YouTuber, content creator, whatever, okay? Honey, steal deal like Holyfield, and these are $1.25. Now, we're going to go through this real quick, 1, 2, 3, okay? You're all right with me. These headphones, these earbuds, really steal deal like Holyfield. Absolutely love these. These are Kisses, Reese's, okay, $1.25 cup of noodles. They have the Doritos. Honey, they are fancy. So cute. Absolutely love it. Now, I know we've seen these, some of us, but some people may have not. Foldable step stool with handle, $5. I think this is a steal deal like Holyfield. They come in 2 different colors, black and also in gray. And this is pretty much how they slang it this way, okay? $5. Okay, so Dollar Tree is not playing when it comes to like the doormats. This is so cute. This is a rubber doormat that says welcome. It is $3. Steal deal like Holyfield. Nice. And then they also have another one at the bottom that says bless this home. And this one is, honey, $5. Really cute. All right, so remember we talked about this cleaner, okay? And I said, I was a little concerned about the price point because it was, only $1.25. But this is the Power Foaming Bathroom Cleaner. I definitely use this. Pink grapefruit scent, really good. Removes and helps prevent lime scale and soap scum. Honey, this is the truth, okay? And then they also have the Power Foaming Carpet Cleaner. One of you guys said that you tried this and it was like hands down good. Heavy traffic, deep cleans and neutralizes odors, $1.25. And we all know, right? We all know that this is like a dupe from the pink line. And then they also have the all-purpose cleaner, pink formula, streak-free and sparkling clean. This is $1.25 as well. Honey, when it comes to the cleaning stuff, you can spend about $10 and have your whole cleaning, products on go, okay? Because the stuff here is like really inexpensive. They did have the kitchen one, but you know what? I don't really be seeing the kitchen one now. I just see the carpet in the bathroom. The carpet and the bathroom cleaner. I don't know, honey, what they did with the kitchen one. Now, honey, if you got a green thumb, honey, salute to you. Okay, Dollar Tree definitely has these garden gloves. You get a pair for $1.25. I don't remember, did I ever tell you guys the time that I had worked at a hardware store? And honey, I worked in a garden department, and I remember we would get these. Well, no, Kurt Weiss. I had worked for this company called Kurt Weiss. That's how I know about the impatiens, the perennials, the annuals and stuff like that with the plants and stuff, because I worked at a plant company, okay? Honey, that was one of the best jobs that I had because I would be outdoors, all right? Really good. Now, they also have, Dollar Tree has the Citronella incense sticks. These are 6 pieces for $1.25. Honey, they offer outdoor only, okay? They also have the needle point pruners over here. That's $1.25 as well. If you are looking for planters, I absolutely love these because it's very inexpensive. These are $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield, and then they have different designs, different colors. Looks amazing. Garden Decor they also have. Then they also have the pollinators planting, okay? Grow kits that are $1.25 as well. Seed starter pots, you get 10 for $1.25. I think that's just such a steal deal like Holyfield. Hummingbird nectar, all right? Hummers galore, okay? And it's cool because they also have the bird feeders that's on the other side that you could put those in, which is also $1.25. Now Dollar Tree also have some more garden gloves over here. If you are looking for garden decor, happiness is found in a garden. I know that's right. And then they also have some more seeds and stuff, impatiens, bird and butterfly seeds. And then they also have the microgreen salad mix. You know what was really, really good? And you know, I've been looking for this for a while. It's called watercress. Okay, watercress and arugula. Oh my goodness, they are so healthy for you. Okay, they are healthy for eyesight. Really, really good. Watercress and arugula. No, watercress and arugula. Really, really good, hands down. Now, Dollar Tree also have these nutty no melt swell, I think that's how you pronounce it, for year-round feed and attracts a wide variety of birds. That is $1.25. So if you're a bird lover, okay, word to the mother and the brother, okay, honey, you may want to get that. And then they also have these garden decors over here that are $1.25 as well. Really, really cool. Now, when it comes to Valentine's Day items, okay, Dollar Tree just received this. I just seen this yesterday, actually, okay, and I don't know, I think this is just decor. All right, they have the lips right here, and then they have a pink one and a red one. Okay, child, I'm trying to figure out what does it do? What do it do? Okay, like what is it? Okay, all right, this is $1.25. Okay, so we also seen these. These are so gorgeous to me. I absolutely like these. Now, they have these little bottles. They are $1.25. They come in 2 different colors. What really does it for me is the charms over here that they have, like the heart. They also have one with the key. This looks so cool to me. Really, really nice. And what really brings it out even more is these ribbons that they have on here. They also have these glass little bottles over here that $1.25. They have like the tree on them. They come in 3 different colors. They have the clear, the green, and then the clear blue. And then these $1.25. Still they're like Holyfield. All right, family, make sure you guys enjoy your day. Rock out, believe in yourselves, and do understand and get this, okay? And I'm gonna keep on reminding you of this because I want you to understand that you have great potential. All right, I want you to understand that you are going to win. Okay, you are going to win. You know why? Because you've been created to win. You've been designed to win. Okay, and not only that, you have the potential to win. You just have to show up, my friend. And with that being said, I love you guys. Peace.